Despite the pandemic in the last 16 months, the corporate interest in renewable power surged and also continues to increase. And we're seeing a lot of that demand side of the equation, evidenced by over 20 corporate customers that we have in our roster, closing in on 2 gigawatts of renewable capacity. So for us, demand has never been stronger. Beyond just the heightened awareness of the concept of more than a megawatt, or as we call internally, PPA plus. We're seeing demand from aggregated deals and companies with smaller demand. At the foundation of all of this, we take at Enel the principles around circular economy. We like to look at, through the lens of circularity, everything starting in greenfield development through end of life or increasingly second life applications. Enel announced in our Capital Markets Day in 2020 that we'd be evolving today from about 32% of sustainable sources of debt and finance to 70% by 2030, reinforcing the integration of our sustainable finance strategy as integral to our overall corporate strategy. But let's not underestimate the role of community acceptance and social license will play in our mutual achievement of our energy transition and decarbonization targets. So how we quantify that social impact, not just in terms of CapEx spend, but in terms of, again, direct or induced economic impact or jobs created. Environmental and climate justice needs to be and should be a lens by which all capital expenditures are considered going forward. Understanding the implications of those investments long-term is an imperative. In a nutshell, we continue to shift away from short-termism while maintaining a sharp sense of urgency for the climate crisis, and also expanding commitments by corporates towards stakeholder capitalism, really aiming towards long-term value creation, taking into the needs of all stakeholders in society.